Okay, hi guys, I'm Chris Dixon from InfoWeather here. Right now we're looking at the WPC 72-hour probability of snow accumulating more than 2 inches here. New York is 95%, Philadelphia 80%, and practically this whole area that's under the blizzard warning here is under that. First, I'm going to switch right here. Here's the Boston area map right here. You can see this red right here is the blizzard warning. Right here is winter storm warning. All throughout here are hurricane force wind warnings, storm warnings around that. Definitely shaping up to be a horrible storm. As you can see here, it is widespread here. Definitely taking up a lot of space. Back to the WPC, 4 inches, you get the point here. Here's New York, Philadelphia's here, Boston's around here, Providence here, Portland, Maine here, Augusta's sort of up here somewhere. 8 inches of snow is expected. Here's New York, here's Philadelphia, Boston, Portland, Augusta, and yeah. Now for a whole foot, there's still a 95% chance of accumulation in Providence and Boston. New York's almost out of the 50%. Philadelphia is probably not going to even get a foot, but they could. Portland, Maine up here, still in the 90% zone. For 1.5 foot, Providence, somewhere between Providence and Boston, it's looking to be 95, but really it doesn't look the greatest, or sorry, 90. Really isn't the biggest amount of snowfall there. But still, for 2 feet of snow, there's still a large area of greater than 50% from Boston to Providence, Rhode Island, of getting 2 feet of snow. And even for 30 inches of snow, there's a 20% chance between Providence and Boston, including Brockton, Massachusetts, and Plymouth, Massachusetts there. So definitely this could be a very bad storm. Of course, the blizzard warning's into effect. 75-mile-an-hour winds and lots of snow falling at up to 4 inches per hour. This could be a very bad storm.